So I'm a big fan of Rick Stein, and this is one of his recipes on the BBC website, and it's stuffed aubergines with Moreish spices. So in my pan I've got an onion and a pepper, and I've put in cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg, chilies, smoked paprika, my famous lazy garlic, 79p from Home Bargains, and sweated it off in my pan for about 10 minutes. Now Rick's recipe has lamb mince, and I've changed it and put in beef mince. So I put my beef mince in with all my spices, the onions, and it's lean beef, so I like lean meats. Just going to cook that off for about 10 minutes. Let it all brown off. And then it adds 6 tablespoons of tomato sauce or ketchup. Now obviously Rick makes his own tomato sauce. Sorry Rick, I'm just using tomato sauce out of a jar. Please forgive me. I'm going to let that cook down. And once that's cooked down, I'll show you how you stuffed your aubergines. It smells good. So I've cooked the aubergines in the oven for about 30 minutes till the flesh has gone all nice and soft. I've scooped the flesh out and mixed it with the mince, and then we stuff the aubergines back up with your mince and your Moreish spices. Yeah. Now the good thing about is this, I made too much like I always do. You can freeze that and have it at a later date, and you can have mince and tatties. There's my aubergines all filled up now. I'm going to top them all off with cheese and then pop them in the oven for half an hour and serve them up with some vegetables. Pop them in the oven. Stuffed aubergines with Moreish spices. So I'm no master chef, but there's my stuffed aubergines served with carrots and broccoli. David will love this.